Sometimes someone might laugh at me. When someone laughs at me, I might feel sad, hurt, or confused. My feelings are important. If someone laughs at me, it does not mean I did something bad. I can try to stay calm. I can take slow, deep breaths to help my body feel better. I can say, "Please stop," or "That hurts my feelings." If I feel uncomfortable, I can walk away. I can tell a teacher or a trusted adult. Adults are there to keep me safe and help me. I am important and I deserve to be treated kindly. I can choose to be kind to others. I did a great job taking care of myself. Kind friends do not laugh at others. I can choose kind friends.